You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in Spain. Locally in Spain, in central Spain, they would say it as Albacete, with the C pronounced like TH, Albacete. But in other parts of Spain or in other Spanish-speaking countries, they would pronounce the C like an S, Albacete. So it's fine to say Albacete, in English Albacete, but locally they'd say Albacete. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.